Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make whipped cream hard. First, ensure your heavy cream is very cold, ideally around 36% milk fat for best results. Before you begin, chill your mixing bowl and whisk attachment in the freezer for at least 15 minutes. This cold environment is crucial for stable whipped cream. Then, beat the cream on medium-high speed until it starts to thicken and form soft peaks. To further stabilize your whipped cream, consider adding a few ingredients. Once soft peaks appear, gradually incorporate 1 to 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar per cup of cream. For extra firmness, a teaspoon of cornstarch or unflavored gelatin can be added. Continue beating on medium-high speed until stiff peaks form, ensuring you stop just before it turns grainy to avoid over-whipping. Achieving perfectly hard whipped cream is easier with the right tools and techniques. A stand mixer or a good hand mixer provides consistent power, making the process smoother. Remember, over-whipping is a common mistake. Stop as soon as stiff peaks are achieved to prevent it from turning into butter. For storage, keep your hardened whipped cream in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. If your whipped cream isn't firming up, double-check that your cream and equipment are thoroughly chilled. Sometimes, adding a small amount of softened cream cheese, about 1 tablespoon per cup of cream, can provide extra stability and a richer texture. This can help achieve that desired hard consistency. Also, for more great tips and deals, including a link to the Owala water bottle, check out the description below this video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.